Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's V Kills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this wig that you see right here. So this wig tutorial was inspired by IVJ here on YouTube. Like, she has done videos on how to make wig like this without lace frontal or closure. So I wanted to make one for myself as well. I looked for the wig cap around me, I couldn't find it. I searched online, I still couldn't find it, and she was kind enough to send me some wig caps to make wig for myself. So she now has a website where you can purchase the wig cap, for those of you that have been asking her where you can buy the wig cap from. So I'm going to leave a link to her website in my description box below in case you're interested. And also don't forget to check out her channel for beautiful hairstyles like this. And this hairstyle that I'm wearing today was inspired by Princess Bella here on YouTube. I've been thinking of the hairstyle that I wanted to do with the wig caps that IVJ sent to me. Immediately I saw Princess Bella post a video on Instagram where she was wearing a wig like this. I knew immediately that this is what I wanted. So I ran out to get braiding hair and I started making my own wig. And I'm so proud of myself that I was able to finish up this wig, because the beginning was a bit confusing and I felt like I was doing rubbish. But as I go on and on, I realized I was actually doing something meaningful, and the end result is just beautiful. Like, you guys, the end result is so beautiful. So I went ahead and learned how to ventilate my lace so I can create baby hair. That way everything will be popping. I believe if I can do it, you can do it as well. So without wasting much time, let's jump right in. So guys, this is the wig cap that I'll be using for this tutorial, and I'm using my powder foundation with an angle brush to outline my hairline so I know where to start my cornrow.
Slow down, them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now.
So I placed the wig cap on my mannequin head and secured it down with some T-pins. So this is the braiding hair that I'll be using for this tutorial.
Want to feel, they just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me.
So imagine that you are braiding on somebody's head. Before you start any braid, you want to part your hair into the style that you want to create. So that is what I'm doing with the powder and the angle brush. I'm creating a pattern for the style that I want to create.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy.
So right now I'm going to crochet down some braiding hair as a base for the actual cornrow, and I'm using a small crochet needle. You want to use a small crochet needle because the large one is going to create hole on your lace and you don't want that. When crocheting down your braiding hair, you want to crochet it in the pattern in which you're going to be doing a cornrow. Let's take for example, you're doing a straight cornrow, then you're going to crochet the hair in a straight line. But if you're doing a curved cornrow, then you're going to crochet the hair in a curved pattern. That is what I'm doing, and I believe this part is self-explanatory.
Original bad man.
It's VKills.
Standard.
It's VKills.
Original bad man. Lego. Fire can't cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Low. I tell them, coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I cheer them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
So guys, I'm done with this side of the hair, and I repeated the same process on the other side of the hair. Moving over to the circle that I created on that lace cap, I'm going to do box braid.
When I ride a bumble.
It's VKills.
One time.
Standard.
One time. Spots, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see.
So right now I'm creating a part for my ponytail. So I'm using that same powder and angle brush to create that part, and then I'm going to start crocheting my hair to the direction where I want my Conroe to be.
Girl, them go down. Ooh-wee. On the show now. Oh yeah. See girls them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman.
One time, he's butty baby. VQs,
Mix and mix it.
Jano, Lega. Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. Oh, his body baby.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright.
So now that I'm done with the ponytail, on that empty lace at the back, I'm going to do cornrow, and I'll stop exactly where the black lace starts.
Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know stand. Make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see me now, they want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm on, yeah. I'm on, yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want them, you won't bore me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want.
Now that I'm done with all the cornrow, on this back section of the hair, I'll be doing box braid.
When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try this. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my.
So right now I'm crocheting down some braiding hair as a base for my box braid. After that, I'll go over and do box braid on all of those small pieces of braiding hair. So that's basically it. I'm going to do box braid. So after doing the box braid at the back, I went over and finished up the braids that I braided halfway. So guys, I had to go learn how to ventilate lace so I can be able to create baby hair on this cap, and I can't really explain how to do it that much because I'm still learning. But you can go on YouTube and search for how to ventilate lace and you will see videos on how to do it. There is a special ventilating needle. I don't have that needle, so I had to make do with what I have, which is this small crochet needle, and it worked for me. So if you are in search of the ventilating needle, you can get it on Aliexpress.
Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard.
So after that, I went ahead and trimmed the baby hair to make it look shorter.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me happy.
So I boiled hot water, poured it in a bucket, and I placed the entire wig inside. So right now the wig is dried, and I'm cutting out that small piece of lace at the back of the wig cap because I don't need it, and I'm going to attach an elastic band to the wig, and I'm ready to style my wig. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
The one job bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done.